What's the meaning of Benthamism? Benthamism. Benthamism.
Benthamism. Benthamism. Benthamism is a philosophical and ethical theory that was developed by Jeremy Bentham in the 18th century. At its core, Benthamism is focused on the idea that actions should be evaluated based on their ability to produce the greatest amount of happiness or pleasure for the greatest number of people. This concept, known as utilitarianism, asserts that humans are fundamentally hedonistic creatures who seek pleasure and avoid pain. As such, the goal of Benthamism is to create a society that maximizes individual happiness while also ensuring social cohesion and stability. Benthamism has had a significant impact on modern political and economic thought, particularly in the realms of social welfare policy and government regulation.